How to pair the Pro 6 TWS with a Android phone running Android 13 or Android 14. So first things first, make sure these have some battery life in them, and you want to make sure they're both in the case together at the same time. There is a button at the back of your Pro 6 case here. Press it just to make sure that they're both currently touching down there and to indicate if it's charging or not charging. Now with all that said and done here, you'll want to take them both together out of the case at the same time. This is going to ensure that they both pair up to each other and then enter into pairing mode so that when you have them connected to your Android phone, they're going to pair up as a pair and not one at a time, okay? So one of them is going to be in a blinking mode here like that. That's the pairing mode itself. Now that you have it like that on your Android phone here, you'll use the quick settings here to go into the Bluetooth settings. So go ahead and look for your Bluetooth settings here. You'll long press it and you'll see the pair new device option. So go ahead and tap on that once. It's going to start searching for nearby devices and wait for it to show up as Pro. That's what they're going to show up as on your Android phone. So go ahead and tap on it here. It's going to say pairing. You'll get the pairing request. Just press pair. And you'll notice that they're going to stop blinking once they are fully connected, okay? And that'll let you know if it's connected or not, okay? And just going to the settings of the Pro 6 to enable it for calls and audio, and you're pretty much good to go. And that's it for this video tutorial here. Like and sub.